What's up, guys? So it's another turkey season is upon us, and first this year is my stepson Justin. Justin, what we about to go do?
Roost birds.
Roost some birds. Then we got little man Jackson. Wave. We are going to roost some birds, and hopefully we get Justin his first bird in the morning. So nice job, dude.
I actually heard one.
All right, give me your best owl call. All right, your turn. That's pretty good. Well, we didn't hear any birds, but that doesn't mean they're not there. There was tons of birds there last year, so hopefully we hear some in the morning and Justin's able to shoot one. You ready, Justin?
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot their head off.
Gonna shoot their head off, he said. So see y'all in the morning.
Boy! Yeah!
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Give a thumbs up. Alright. Opening morning of turkey season. I just did an owl hoot, and we got one located over here on the ridge. Justin, you pumped up?
Yeah.
So hopefully he comes right down to us, and Justin's able to get a shot on him. So y'all stay tuned. Should be a good one.
Blow his brains out.
Blow his brains out, he said. All right, let's get it.
That's a big cow.
He's right there. Did you hear him?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, so we got set up on that bird, and he decided to find himself a girlfriend before he coming in. So we're gonna wait and see what happens, and see if we can get on another bird. They'll fire back up about 9:30, 10 o'clock. So be ready, Justin. Look at him. He's camera shy.
No, I'm not.
Is it breakfast time?
Yeah.
What you got there?
Popcorners, white cheddar.
Is that good stuff?
Yeah.
move. Cook your steak, Joe. Okay, don't. Keep it on your shoulder. Make sure you don't run over your head, okay? I'll tell you when to shoot. Shoot this first. Pops up. Get this thing, Joe. Okay, hold right on that hand. Okay. Wait on. Hold on. Shoot it.
Yes! That boy! Yes! Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
Get on him, Justin. There you go, bud.
Don't talk about Justin.
Good stuff, Justin.
Give me some, baby. Yes! Yes!
Good job, Justin. Nice, bud.
Dude, are you excited, bro? Come here, dude.
Yeah,
Bro. Nice job, dude.
yeah, good
Oh my
stuff,
gosh,
Justin.
dude.
Busting him, bud. Good job.
I didn't even think I had my bullet on his head at first.
Nah, you got him, man. You for sure did.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Good. Battery's about to die. We're good.
Dude, we took a nap and everything, bro.
I was playing Call of Duty.
He said I was playing Call of Duty.
Well, I didn't hear him,
I know.
and then I got up, and I'm not kidding you, they're right there on the hill. 8 of them, dude.
Yeah,
8 of them.
I didn't see him until they came down
So
here.
I was like, dude, they're coming. Oh my gosh, Justin, dude.
You
I'm
good?
Bro, just die already.
I'm so happy for you, dude. Like, seriously.
Yeah,
Dude,
dude.
come here, give me a hug. Dude, dude,
Yeah.
I'm so pumped up, bro.
At first, I didn't really think we were going to
It's a Jake, dude, but it's your first bird ever. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Dude, give me a freaking
Mine
son,
was a
dude.
Jake. Yeah.
Dude, I'm pumped, bro.
Yeah, I know you are. You lit.
Maybe you just heard it, but it looks like I didn't.
Nice, Justin. That's dinner right there.
Definitely
Turkey jerky, huh?
didn't. Yeah.
We gotta FaceTime your mom, dude.
We're still breathing.
He's done. Pulled over here for you. What you're gonna do? Grab about the feet. Throw it over your shoulder like this.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Get it. There you go.